So you may have seen over the last couple of weeks, we've been getting Caitlin's new, but actually 15-year-old GX470 fixed up. Well, we finally got it back together, and now it's time for the first official shakedown run. If you're looking for trail details, or any previous videos on the rust repair and the GX, I'll have those in the description. Otherwise, if you just want to get an overview of the trail, I have a time lapse, should be popping up now in the upper right hand corner. Oh, and by the way, this is her first time driving off-road. The GPS still says we have 0.8 miles until the end of the road. We have one kid with us. I like this like Jerry curl thing going on. This is pretty cool.
Ooh. Should we put it in 4 low?
Oh my God, don't even. We're not even in. Are we going to the parking lot or is that the actual trailhead?
I think this is the trailhead and there's a thing up there.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Alright. Oh, you can register what campsite you're at.
Your destination is on the right.
Maybe we'll go to the parking lot.
Yeah, let's go to the parking lot. Strike one. Seemed like at one time that road was open.
So, don't follow the GPS.
Yeah.
Peters Mill, ATV, OHE parking is this way. Ooh. Oh, ready? Water. Water crossing. Dave, are you proud of me?
I'm so proud right now.
We're just going to the parking.
Alright, this looks good. I think we're in it now. Welcome, daily fee required.
Check.
Welcome to Peters Mill Run Trailhead. Right.
Okay.
Lifting the rear end up so you get some more clearance.
Yes.
And you can lock the center dip now if you want. Now you feel like you're doing off-roadiness?
So off-roady.
It, at the very early stages, seems like a poorly kept gravel road.
This is perfect for me. Oh yeah, look at that.
Remember, Caitlin, you can always get down the mountain. It's just a question of what condition the car's in when you get there.
We just redid our bumper.
So we're gonna have to trim the front bumper. That's about it. Okay, keep going. I'm gonna see where you drag the... All right, you're clear.
Shut up.
You don't have to get up into the wall so much.
I'm trying to be hardcore.
You're making it harder on yourself.
Babe. That's what everybody wants to see.
I didn't realize this was 0 sugar. Feel refreshed? This is rocking the baby to sleep though. This is the only way we can get her to sleep.
Shush keys.
Are you really gonna drive like that the whole time? Oh, casual.
I did it.
Yeah.
I walked up it.
Nothing. Right, keep the momentum. Mud. Okay, you don't have to accelerate in the mud. Just don't stop in it.
See what this white car looks like after.
Oh boy. Yeah. Well, you could imagine like that side by side coming through here.
Well, that someone definitely drove through that mud.
Oh yeah. Get in, and that side by side would tear it up back here. So I'd say it got a little bit more difficult there, but still not to where. I mean, you could come through here with a Subaru Outback.
I saw somebody on one of the reviews had done this in a RAV4.
I could see it. It actually, we're up higher now. It's not quite as rocky as it was near the parking area. The trail itself is smoothed out quite a bit. Anything made you like real nervous yet? Or everything? Gonna put a tire around it. Like that rock on your right there. Again, putting your tire on it's fine, but you had enough you could put the whole vehicle around it to the left.
Okay.
Hopefully that'll look cool. Not as many options here. I think you know what you gotta do. 2 tires on, 2 tires off. That's it. So you happy with your car?
I think so.
Would you have done this in your minivan?
No.
We found our first real obstacle!
I do that.
Put you in neutral. Let's go 4 low. Yeah, I'd go just like that. One obstacle. Nice. Everything else is just bumpy road. Get around all this to the left. It's shaping up. Yeah, the back half at least seems to be a little bit more interesting. How are you holding up?
Doing it.
You don't have to fly at it, just keep rolling. There you go. Yep. Just like that, straight, straight, straight. Easy. Yeah. Oh, your safe driver discount?
Yeah.
Oh boy. I think we're probably about as high up as we're gonna get, 2,400 feet there.
Yeah.
And trees are getting pretty thin. Haley's back there. Baby girl's doing okay too. Look out your driver's window.
It's not.
Don't go.
This isn't Imogene Pass.
Look at this route. Look at that line up there. Passenger tire there, there, there. Driver's gonna walk right up this side. Do you get it? Passenger's gonna hit these rocks right there, there, and here. You're gonna straddle this whole thing. So come at me. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Easy, slow. I need you to turn wheels out a little bit. Yep, and then straight up. You're gonna walk right up now. Come on up. Good. You can creep into it. You don't have to blast it.
Sorry.
We need some lift. That's why you have skid plate.
How am I doing, boss?
I'm not the boss. This is your car. I think you're doing good though. It's a different trail once you get to the back quarter.
Definitely more rocky.
Yeah. But it's not been terrible. We only had to kind of get out and walk through 2 spots. But I mean, the scenery's pretty cool. And it's getting to be a little bit more narrow, but I still think we can make it through here with the truck. Just like that, easy, easy, easy. Just let it creep. Let it creep. Can you get any more left? Not cut right. Right now. Okay. Good. I want you to go around it to the right. Just like that, straight, straight, straight. Straight, 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 straight. And just kind of, you're doing it now, curve it back to the left. Straight around to the left. Straight around to the left. Straight around to the left. To the left. So let's cut right now. With your driver's wheel on that route. Cut right now. Down straight, straight. I like far right. I like far right. It's going to be bumpy, but it's fairly steady. I just think it'll be interesting to watch. at that view. Come on down. Well, we stopped off because it's a nice view. Caitlin's been doing some good driving, and this is a pretty fun little stair step to come down. I think we're getting back into a lot more woods, so we might not have as great of views coming up.
A nice casual ride.
I was not as into the trail up front, but this section through here is really nice. It'll just walk down them. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. There you go. You'll be okay. Otherwise, it'll knock the bumper cover off. Just cleared the side step.
Throwing mud.
What the heck is our dog doing?
I don't know.
She's sitting in the kids' car seats. She's tired of being in the back.